Hi guys, and welcome to Manicaro Custom Guitars. I'm your host and creator of Manicaro Custom Guitars, Andrew Manicaro. And today I'm going to show you how I create a custom guitar. So today we're gonna start with this. This is a neck blank. It's a three-piece neck blank, maple, walnut and maple. This is for a neck true guitar. It's for the Lullaby guitar that I'm currently doing. It's already been glued and surfaced, and today I'm going to show you how I cut the headstock angle and do the cavity for the truss rod. So let's start. So the first thing that I do is mark the headstock angle, which I already did, but I'm still going to show you how I did it. And I used this little jig that I built. It's preset at 13 degrees for most of my headstocks, and it can be easily adapted to any degrees just to change these side walls. How this works is simple. Just put the neck blank through that. Here I made a mark. This is where the nut is going to end. So, and obviously from here forward is going to be the headstock. So what I do is I mark, align that mark with the sidewall, and I just make a mark with the pencil, and that's 13 degrees. Now next up, let's cut this on a bandsaw. Let's go with it. Okay, so now with the headstock angle being cut, it's time to clean this and make it smooth and exactly on the line. And to do that, I'm gonna use again my jig. Now, what I'm going to do is align again the marked line with the wall, like so. Easy. Lock the neck in place. And now I'm going to use the second part of this jig, which is this. Some paper, it's like a sled. And just simply send the headstock down. Until it's smooth. In this case, it's good practice to mark, so I know exactly when all the lines are gone. Okay, maple is really hard, so this is gonna take some time. See you guys later. With that ready, nice and smooth, next step is to put this in to a channel for the truss rod. And this is done into the other part of the shop, where I have already set up my router on a table, and we're gonna do a nice clean channel for this. So let's go. Okay, the truss rod that I use is approximately 9 millimeters deep. So we have to make a channel of 9 millimeters along here. Now to do that with a 6 mil router bit here, because this truss rod is 6 millimeter thick. We're gonna do it bit by bit, not the whole 9 millimeter cut. It's not a good idea. So 2 mil pass, then do another one. So I have like about 4 mil of cut for the first one. So we should do it in 3 or 4 passes, just to make sure about the depth. It's a good idea to use a scrap of wood to test before doing the final adjustment. That's it. Alright. So let's start the show. That's it. It's going to be very noisy. That's it. First one. Yep. will continue doing smaller cuts until the desired depth is reached. Until then, see you soon. Okay, truss strut is ready. As you can see, it's nice and flush in the channel. Oops, I fly. Even here in the beginning, we had to widen up for the knot. Nice and flush. Okay. For the headstock. Let's prepare this. What I like to do, because of the glue, when you put two pieces of wood with glue together, there's a tendency that when you put two pieces with glue, it slips. Even with these, because I will not glue with these on, whereas these going to be glued with the neck, so these are going to remove them. But before I remove them, I will have obviously clamps here, but still there will be a tendency for this part to move, especially with the clamp pressing on an angle. So what I would like to do is take this stapler and put not fully in, just a couple of, like this one, two. No, the last one is really bad. Like this. I am putting them here because, well, this I have to cut here and here. Remove this and I remove this. So I have these two little pins. So when I put this and press it, this pin is gonna grab this. So then again, this will not move at all. I put them here just because the profile of the neck is going to come at an angle here because of the headstock. So I'm going to cut it at an angle. So this little things will not get into the bandsaw blade. That's why I put them at the end. So let's do this. This is in. So I'll just align the end, not pressing here, so the pins doesn't lock. Little. That's so good. And now just press like this, so the pins will dig into the wood and I have an exact position, and later with the glue it will not move. Now see here, those where the pins goes. Now it's time to put some glue. Nice surface with glue. And I like to put some here as well, just in case. Oh, it's really tight. Let me put it first in the pins. Alright, that's it. That's it. Just tighten this again so it that's it. So for now, I'm going to do it like this. So that is really centered. This. And just put some more clamps. Okay, so the headstock is clamped, and I'm really happy because there is all the way around glue coming out. And that usually means that both faces are flat and glue is evenly spreaded all the way. Now, I might put some more clamps, and for today, that's it. Till next time, bye bye.